Trust me, for this makeup I have not used any foundation. This is just a CC cream. Hi everyone. To start with the makeup, I am moisturizing my face. If you have oily skin, then CC cream will be best choice for you. But for any makeup, you have to moisturize your face. For this makeup, I am using this Lakmé CC Cream in the shade Honey. Like you apply any cream, I am going to use my fingers to apply it. It might look like I am using too much, but it settles afterwards. This CC Cream gives a matte finish. You can use this CC Cream on daily basis also. If you don't want to invest in any matte foundation, then this CC Cream will work for you. My face looks white right now, but afterwards the cream settled beautifully. If you have dry skin, really moisturize your face well. I reapplied the cream wherever I needed more coverage. This cream, I would say, gives a decent coverage. For this makeup, I did not color correct at all. On daily basis, when you don't have any time to color correct, this cream will be ideal. I'm using a light concealer to highlight my face. All the products that I have used in this video are really pocket friendly. I'm going to list all the products in the description box below. I'm going to wait a couple of minutes to blend my concealer. In the meanwhile, I'm shaping my eyebrows. Waiting for a few minutes after you apply the concealer will give you more coverage. For my eyebrows, I'm using an eyebrow pencil. You can use the product of your choice. You can even use an eyeshadow. Once I'm happy with the shape, I'm brushing my eyebrows upwards. Then I'm just filling in the sparse areas. Next, I'm blending the concealer. Here I have used a concealer with yellow undertones to cover any dark areas on my face, like around my mouth or my dark circles. I'm using a wet beauty blender to blend it. Next, I'm using a cream blush. I'm using the same beauty blender to apply it. You can even apply it with your fingers. If you are not a fan of blush, then you can skip this step. I'm taking the blush to my hairline. I also like to apply the blush on my nose for a flushed look. Next, I'm setting my face with some loose powder. You can use your regular Pond's powder for this. The CC cream that you have used will give you most of the coverage, so you'll just need some powder to set the makeup. I'm going to use this palette to contour my face. I'm just showing you the basic steps to apply the makeup. If you want, you can skip any of these steps. I'm contouring my jawline with the help of the brush. Like some people don't like to contour the face, or some people don't like the blush, so they can skip accordingly. Next, I'm applying some highlighter. I'm applying the same highlighter on my brow bone. For today's makeup, I'm using this palette by Profusion Cosmetics. I'm going in with this shade first. With a fluffy brush, I'm applying it on my lid. All the eyeshadows in this Love Struck palette have this pink undertone to it. So whatever eyeshadow you apply, it will have a pink undertone. Next, I'm going in with this shade. I'm applying this shade only on the outer corner. I'm using a small blending brush for this. Concentrating a dark eyeshadow on the outer corner will give some dimension to the eye makeup. I'm also taking the same shade on my lower lash line. Next, I'm going in with this shimmery shade. I'm using my fingers to apply it. Instead of this shade, you can even use a glitter of your choice. Whatever matches your outfit. The eye makeup is so neutral that you can apply any glitter on it. Next, I'm going in with this liquid liner. I'm just going to create a small wing on the outer corner. To make my lashes look thicker, I'm going to tightline my upper waterline. Trust me, it makes a lot of difference. I have applied lashes off camera. I've recently bought these Recode lashes. I'm having a really hard time to apply them. Let me know if you're facing the same problem in the comment box below. I'm applying some mascara. I have used a lip liner on my lips. You can directly go in with the lipstick. I'm using this Elatin liquid lipstick. I have done a detailed review video on these lipsticks. You can check that out in my previous video. And guys, this is the final look. I have also applied lenses off camera. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.